gonna show you. Wait, guys. Alright, guys, hold on. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. Alright, guys, now. Alright, so the first thing what you need to do is install Flipperclip. And then blah blah blah. I'll just call it animation. Start creating a project. So the first thing. Alright. Henry, I'm about to draw Henry Stickmin waving. Is this actually broken? Right now, this one's broken. That's literally brand new. It then acts like it's broken. Might as well it is. Skip beep beep. No beep beeping. Nope, you cannot beep beep. My house. The eyebrow's too big. So right now, I'm not getting anything, but the second one. Wait, no, not the other arm. The other arm is gonna be way different. Now, he'll smile. The eyes look like he just went on drugs. I really have to start charging my phone before I make a video. The second one, I'm not actually drawing pretty good right now because I don't wanna. Because it's dark outside. I'll have to go sleep soon. So. Boop 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 boop. That's not the end, guys. It's not. Then after you've done that, draw it again. That is weird. So yeah, if you're bad at drawing circles like me, just do that. Make it small, but I'm not doing that. Circles, I have to go to sleep soon. So yeah, okay, let me make this one video, and then I'll make him sing hi. Right. So to make your character say hi, click this music button. Click the red button. Click record voice. Right now. Unable to start recording. What? God damn it. Right now. What? Is it because I'm recording right now? Record. How does that make sense? Let's pause the video. Alright, now record. So right now, you need to put it on how long you want it to be. Done. Alright, now. So I guess that's how you pretty much make your own animation. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Yeah, see ya.